Okay, so we're kind of on the Cotai Strip. Basically, oh, got a nice moon out as well. So Studio City is right there, and then they built this big pool. I don't know what you call that. Pool center? Pool, whatever it is. This is the train line right here. And you can see a lot of construction over there. They're building all kinds of stuff. So I think that's being built up for the tourists. And then over there is University of Macau, that red sign. You can barely see it over there. And we're basically going to follow this train line over towards Galaxy. And we're going to also walk along this one as well. So you get a little snippet of Macau. I'm back in Macau after Xi'an in Hengqin. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. Pretty cool. Studio City. Yeah, actually this is all kind of new. Last time I was here they had a giant wall right here, so it kind of blocked everything. That's all removed now. And it looks quite pretty. Yeah, and that right there is a train line, that one to the left corner. Yeah, it looks like now they got this all set up too, so traffic can go in and out and park. So yeah, that's Studio City right there. You can see the big lettering. Looks kind of cool. Let's see. Yeah, actually this is all new sidewalk, new everything right here. I haven't seen this epic tower before either. And over there is Galaxy. So actually we're going to be walking by that Galaxy Casino as well in a moment. Got some music going on. It's like a big giant parking lot as well in there. You can kind of see through it a little bit, but up at the top is all this water pool stuff for kids and teenagers and adults too for that matter. And over here in the background we're starting to see a glimpse of the top of Venetian and a glimpse of, I think that's the Parisian right next to it. So in a moment we're going to see all the Parisian pretty clearly. So yeah, and this road looks like it's kind of this was all under construction for the longest time, so it's kind of interesting to see it's not like that right now. It's actually fully sidewalked and paved. Yeah, right there, that one to the left is part of Studio City as well, and that's relatively new as well. All those purple lights coming up. I mean that's purple as well, but I mean the one right in the corner there. So we're gonna keep on walking. And over there it's Galaxy. So it looks like we still got a wall right here. But once we get over on the other side, we'll have better context and we'll be able to see everything more clearly. So let's walk across this road right here. This straight ahead is like an ecological zone. So I don't know what they got planned with it, but the whole 10 years I've been here, they've had this ecological zone that there's like a couple platforms you can try to view, but the platforms kind of smell like pee. It smells like drunk people use the platforms to pee in because it's like out of view of the public. But anyways, so we'll give you this view right here. Parisian view and Studio City view. And then way down there is Taipa. And there's Galaxy. And that's the ecological zone to the left. I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of highlight Galaxy. I think you're going to see like Arena in a moment. And I think you might be able to see some of the Galaxy construction they're going to build. They're building more and more over there as well, so I think you'll be able to see some of that. Yeah, they just had what was her name? Blackpink So Blackpink was here for 2 nights recently, and that was a pretty big event. Let me see here. In case you're curious, I just came back to Macau, so I was up in Xi'an, China, and then I flew into Zhuhai. Okay, might as well give you another view. So yeah, there's Parisian. You can see the blue. That's Studio City, that kind of dropping, dripping blue. Galaxy Arena. Cars coming by. And then they're doing all this construction. They're still building Galaxy, so of course that's part of Galaxy over there. But this is also kind of new stuff. I can hear lots of welding over there. I can see lots of welding. You can hear this static. And then of course the ecological zone. I think they removed the platforms. I just smelled like kind of the urine smell, but realized that I don't see the platforms. But I used to be able to walk up and overlook that. They don't really have it set up. They haven't for the whole 10 years I've been here. But I don't know. Anyways, that's what that is. And there's construction in Studio City. So there you go. Macau, Cotai Strip at night. Yeah, actually there's a border over here with Hengqin, which is part of mainland China, part of Zhuhai. So they call it Hengqin Island. So there's a connection that goes basically to the casinos. So I came in on that side through the Zhuhai airport. All right, back to Macau. All right, since I'm still walking, I'll do another brief. So those behind us, construction, and now you can start to see the other side of Galaxy. So that in the forefront, it's under construction, is Galaxy, but also that gold over there is Galaxy. And then across the way is Broadway. The lights are off for some reason, but Broadway is kind of part of Galaxy as well. And then this is called Avenida de Cotai. That's the street that we're on, Cotai Avenue. And I'm gonna see if there's a bus. This is all new too. They just constructed this little intersection thing right there that wasn't there before. And then this is the main road. All the cars are going down nice and fast. And that's our view. I have to move the camera slowly. And I'm going to end this on this view because look at that. You can actually overlook the ecological zone and you can see the skyline of the Cotai Strip now. Studio City where we started at, Parisian, Galaxy. All right. Hope you like that one. A little bit of Macau. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.